Wednesday the 3rd. I'm going out of town tomorrow, so I'm doing my predictions for the AP exam scores, which come out on the 8th, Monday. Last year, I was out of town when the exam came out, so I didn't have a chance to do the predictions beforehand, but I only took Hug, human geography, that was all that was offered. Going into it, initially, I wasn't super confident, but because the whole year I had been super confident, like every test I aced, I got 100s on all the quizzes pretty much. But then exam day, I was sleep deprived because I decided it would be a great idea to try and cram a bunch the night before, even though I had no need to. And so I was afraid of a Maths LCP, but I still ended up with a 5 as expected initially, so that was good. But this year I took A Push, AP Psych, and AP Lang. To start off with Psych, so these are the distributions from this year. It's obviously super easy. I'm not worried at all about Psych. Again, I aced it all year. It's not even a thought. It's like a guaranteed 5 since before I started. I could have done this in my sleep. 18% got 5s. Not scary in any way whatsoever. It's normally easy. This is the year before they changed the curriculum, so the MCQs are longer, but I still finished like halfway through the time. As far as the FRQs, I got like 2 questions wrong, I think. One was about Yerkes-Dachshund, which I forgot was a lava arousal. And another one, probably a toss-up, I think, conscientiousness. I did not study at all for Psych, so. But yeah, my prediction for that is a 5. And as you can see, as the distribution from the year before, it's been pretty consistent. 18% 5s this year, 17 the past 2 years, 15, 22, 20. It's pretty consistent. And as far as 3 pluses, it's always data around the range of what, 40, 50, 60. This year, it's 61, so still pretty average. Nothing's really unexpected here. Moving on, the next one is A Push. A Push, contrary to most, I liked a lot. I'm a history person. I mean, I didn't like the content because the US obviously sucks, but the class was, well, not fun, but funner than the others. It was pretty easy as well. I think that's a guaranteed 5. The exam this year was obviously a lot easier than years prior with the new rubric, and just in general, the MCQs are free. 13% was a 5 this year. Last year, it was 11. Actually hovered around that as far as the simply 5s go, but as far as 1, it's 8% this year, and it's been around 30 for the past few years, so yeah, 2 is the same thing. Normally 22, this year it's 20, but a lot of that is the 1s coming up. Pass rate of 72%, which is behind only these, and US Gov and Govs have always been free. Afro's, like its 3rd year, is free. Comp and Zero, same rubric change, and average, I'm surprised World didn't go up more, considering it also had the rubric change, it was meant to become easier, but I just think they over-adjusted for A Push and whatnot, and for Euro. But yeah, it should be for this year compared to prior years, but I think I could have got a 5 even beforehand, so it was kind of disappointing. I would have liked the initial challenge that I was faced for the comparative standardization. Lastly, we have Lang. Oh, here, I have to write my prediction for that. A Push 5. And then for Lang, that is the only one I am not completely confident in all year. Lang was my least favorite. It's just boring. It was unfun. I averaged like around a 5 for most of my essays. MCQs I was typically not great at for my standards. I mean, still better than most of my counterparts, but not perfect. Only 9% got 5s on Lang this year. It's been around that before as well. Not much change there. A little less 1s this year, or a little more 1s actually. The 2s are about the same, but definitely not a lot of 5s. So that one I'm definitely nervous about. As far as actually taking the exam, the MCQs felt a lot easier than they had for the rest of the year. So hopefully that goes well. But the synthesis essay was just boring. Natural or historic preservation of buildings or whatnot. I don't know how that went. Hopefully that was like a 5 or something. What was the rhetorical? Oh, it was about, I forgot honestly. But I don't know. I did that one 3rd, I think, rhetorical analysis. I think I went to the argument. I was initially gonna do that first, but once I saw the prompt about selfies, I was blown. I don't think I got any good evidence for that, so I don't know. I can even have a 3 at this point. Like, I'm not at all confident. It's really a toss-up. Like, I could be anywhere between a 1 and a 5 with how that went. That essay, like, and it's weird because I was asking what everyone else seemed to have no problem with this. So I don't know what it was. Why I couldn't think of any real evidence at the time, but hopefully I didn't do as bad as I think I did, and I can still get a 5, but I don't know. Hopefully 4 is what I'm thinking, so I guess that's what I'm predicting. But yeah, that's really disappointing. Going into it, I thought I would have a good chance of getting a 5, but now that essay threw me for a loop. So my predictions for this year are 5 on Psych, 5 on A Push, and 4 on Lang. But let's hope that is a 5. Anyways, yeah, I guess that's it. I'll see you guys Monday when the scores come out. It's currently 7:01 on release day. I don't know if the scores are out yet, but I'm about to leave for work, so I'm checking. I'm scared. I don't know if they're there. Oh no. Oh shit. Hope. Just on my Lang score. Yep, I guessed that. I got a 4. I guess that's my prediction, but that is severely disappointing. Damn it. The other two, let's hope, are free. Psych 5, obviously. A push. What? Are you kidding me? Hello? Hello? I got a 4 somehow. Dude, what? Dude, I'm actually confused. Hello? Bro. Dude, I'm pissed. I'm actually in a KMS. No, what? Hello? There's no way. %, got 5s and I wasn't one of them. Bro, I'm done. Fuck. I'm actually confused. How did I get to A4? Okay, guys. It's time. I'm genuinely so nervous. Low key. But I can't tell if it's like irrational fear, like with Hug, or if it's gonna be a repeat of last year. I'm gonna be so disappointed. Oh, I'm so scared. Either I'm gonna walk out of here with all 5s and I'm gonna be even more baffled by getting a score on APUSH, or I'm gonna have a bunch of 3s and 4s and I'm gonna realize that I'm the problem and I suck. Okay, that's a good start. 5 on Afro. That's good. Calc. Okay. I was both the most confident and non-confident in Calc. I definitely put the most studying into that by a long shot. Comp Gov. Okay, 3 for 3 so far. I was a little nervous about that one, but we're safe so far. Okay, lit. Oh, I don't want to see it, bro. Yo, what if I do it, bro? Oh my fucking god. Oh, I think, by the way, they said apparently we won't get our stat scores till August. I don't know if it's on here. Oh, it is? Question mark. Yo! Dude, 6 for 6? Oh my god, bro. Okay, I'm just like that, I guess. See, so like, this is what I'm saying. I got 6s on all of these, but not APUSH, let's be for real. Dude. I was not ready for that. Wow, I did not expect to get my stat score up, but we did it. Oh shoot, y'all definitely couldn't see that, but you know. Okay. Reactions, I guess. I've graduated, so it's irrelevant. It's not like Harvard's taking any of my AP scores anyways. APES, I mean, APES enrolled, I didn't really do all year until like the day before the exam. But APES, the exam was super easy, so I'd say probably a 5. But also, I didn't do it all year, so if it's not, then I wouldn't be surprised. World could have also easily been a 5, but I'll say maybe 4. Spanish, probably 3. I completely bombed that exam. Bro, what? I don't give a fuck. Hello? I have to go to class, bro. College sucks. Oh, Apes is a 5. Bro, why would they put Spanish second? I'm gonna see a 2 right now, and I'm gonna just be pissed. 4? Okay, I'll take it. It doesn't give me credit here, but not bad. Okay, not bad. I'm not mad at it. Spanish could have easily been anywhere from a 2 to not easily a 5, but I'll take it, I guess. This is the end of the AP saga. 13 exams, 3 4s, 10 5s.